Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of spending your weekends cleaning and organizing, only for your home to feel cluttered again by Monday? I totally get it. It feels like a never-ending cycle. But what if I told you that with a few smart changes, you can reclaim your time and keep your space tidy for good? Today, we're diving into some game-changing home organization hacks that actually save you time in the long run. These aren't just about making things look pretty. They're about creating systems that work for you and your family every single day. First up, let's talk about entryways. This area is often the first to get messy, with shoes, bags, and mail piling up. My top hack here is to create a designated drop zone. This doesn't have to be fancy. A simple bench with baskets underneath for shoes, a few hooks on the wall for bags and jackets, and a small tray for keys and mail can work wonders. The trick is to give every single item a home right where you walk in the door. It takes 2 seconds to put things away, but it saves you at least 10 minutes of searching for your keys in the morning. Moving into the kitchen, my favorite time saver is a concept I call batch prepping your pantry. Instead of just putting groceries away, take an extra 15 minutes to prep them for the week. Decant things like rice, pasta, and cereal into clear, airtight containers. Why? Not only does it keep food fresher, but you can see exactly what you have at a glance, which prevents overbuying and makes meal planning a breeze. Chop some veggies for snacks, group lunchbox items together in a bin in the fridge, and you'll be amazed at how much smoother your mornings and evenings become. It's a small investment of time up front that pays off all week long. Finally, let's conquer the closet. The rule here is simple. If you can't see it, you won't wear it. Ditch stacking your t-shirts and sweaters. Instead, file fold them vertically in your drawers. This way, you can see every single shirt at once, just like files in a filing cabinet. You'll get dressed faster and you'll actually wear more of your clothes. For hanging items, group them by category, all your pants together, all your blouses together. This simple system makes finding the perfect outfit effortless. Give these hacks a try and watch how they transform not just your home, but your daily routine. Thanks so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content to simplify your life. I'll see you in the next one.